Hi all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, let's see how to solve question number 9 of exercise 5.2. Okay. If the third and the ninth term of an AP are 4 and 8 minus 8 respectively, which term of this AP is 0? Okay. So we are given the third and the ninth term of this AP, and we'll have to check whether which term of this AP is actually 0. Okay. Now first let's write what is given. So here A3 is given, that is the third term is given. So A3 is the value is 4, okay? And also we are also given a ninth term. So that is A9, the value is -8. And we'll have to find if any of which term of this AP is 0. So basically we know like AN is equal to 0, okay? So we'll have to find which term. For example, it can be if it is a 10th term, 11th term, 15th term. So which term belongs to which term the value is actually 0, okay? Let's get started. Now A3 is equal to 4. So like A plus N minus 1 into D is equal to 4. So A plus 3 minus 1 into D, which is equal to 4. So A plus 2D is equal to 4. So this is the first equation. Now second equation, A9, okay. So A plus N minus 1 into D is equal to -8. So A plus 9 minus 1 into D is equal to -8. Then A plus 8D is equal to -8. Now this is the second equation. Now we are going to solve these two equations to get the value of A and D. So equation 1 will be A plus 2D, which is equal to 4. We are going to write one below the other because we are going to subtract them. So basically this is equation 1. This is equation 2. So subtracting 2 from 1. So when you're going to subtract, the signs will change now. So now the plus will become minus now. Plus will become minus. Minus will become plus. Okay, so positive A, negative A will get cancelled. Then plus 2D, then minus 80, that will become minus 60. Positive 4, then plus 8, then that will become positive 12. So D value is equal to 12 divided by -6. So D value is equal to -2. Fine. Okay, now I'm going to substitute this D value in equation 1. So A plus 2D is equal to 4. So now A plus D value is -2 is equal to 4. Now A minus 4 is equal to 4. Taking -4, that's it. That will become 4 plus 4. So A value is equal to 8. So now I know my D value as -2 and A value as 8. Now let's see which term is actually 0 now. So now here is given like AN is equal to 0. We'll have to go to solve for N, okay? So A plus N minus 1 into D, which is equal to 0 here. So A is 8. So 8 plus N minus 1 into D is -2, which is equal to 0. 8, removing the brackets, N into minus, so that will become minus 2N. That will become minus 2N. Minus 1 into minus will become positive 2, which is equal to 0. So 8 plus 2 will become 10. 10 plus 2N is equal to 0. Then taking 10 plus, no, this is 10 minus 2N. 10 minus 2N is equal to 0. Taking -2N to the other side, so that will become 10 is equal to 2N. So N value is equal to 10 divided by 2, which is equal to 5. So the fifth term of the series is actually equal to 0. So we will say like A5 is equal to 0. The question is, which term of this AP is 0? So here the answer will be the fifth term of the AP, A5 is equal to 0. So in this question, what is given basically, in the question we are given like the third and the ninth term of the AP series is given, okay? And we'll have to find which term of this AP is 0, okay? So we will write A3 is equal to 4, A9 is equal to -8. Use this information, form two equations. Solve the two equations to find the value of A and D. Then we need to find N, equating the A n to 0 and get the value of N now. So here the final answer N was 5. So the fifth term of the series is equal to 0. Fine, clear? If you find this video useful, please subscribe to my channel and also hit the like button. Meet you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.